soldering. So, for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay anti-static wrist strap Lecopio. So, guys, eto siya. Itong ating Lecopio. So, what is the use of Lecopio? The Lecopio anti-static wrist strap is designed to protect electronic devices from electrostatic discharge (ESD) during repair and assembly. Here's a breakdown of its uses and features. Stops static build-up. It quickly stops static build-up on machines. Number 2, electrostatic charge control. It is the most common and effective way to control electrostatic charge generated by people. Protection. It prevents potential damage to sensitive electronic components by dissipating static charges. Comfort and fit. Features a soft, elastic, adjustable band to fit different wrist sizes comfortably. Grounding. Includes an extendable coiled cord fitted with a 1 mega ohms resistor and an alligator clip for connection to ground. 360-degree movement. The extra long coiled cord allows a wide range of movement. Maximum skin contact. Conductive metal threads ensure maximum skin contact for effective protection of both the user and the device. Ease of use. Simple grounding connectors make it easy to use for both professionals and hobbyists. The Lecopio wrist strap refers to the material polyurethane known for its flexibility, abrasion, resistance, and resistance to oils and solvents.
So guys, ayun naman, iti-test natin yung ating Lecopio wrist strap. Kukuha tayo ng wrist strap tester.
Ito siya, guys.
Ayan. I-testing mo muna, pindutin mo siya. Ayan. Nagre-red siya dahil wala tayong suot na wrist strap, guys. So, magsusuot na si Miss Rhea ng wrist strap. Ayan. Then, ito pong alligator clip, tatanggalin po natin ito para po
may saksak po natin siya sa wrist strap tester.
Hindi siya matanggal. Kasi sa handa.
Ayan siya.
Ayan. Then, banana, ayan po yung banana plug niya. Ayan. Diyan po siya i-insert. Ayan. Yes. Make sure guys na naka-properly yung elastic band sa inyong wrist para po hindi siya magkaroon ng error.
Guys,
then,
okay
pati,
na siya.
yan. Pakitesting Rhea kung siya ay.
Yan siya,
as
guys.
you can see, good siya guys. Ha? Ayan na. May suot siya ng wrist strap. Ako naman magte-testing. O, diba? Kasi wala akong suot na wrist strap. Ayan, guys. Yan ang ating Lecopio wrist strap. Itong ginagamit namin ngayon ay ESD Surpa 498 wrist strap tester. Yan. And guys, then yung ating polyurethane na coil cord, meron siyang length na 2 meters. Yan. Kuha tayo na ano lang natin. I-visualize lang natin, guys, ha? Testingin natin. Pero ito, hindi kasi namin siya naka-coil pa siya. Pero pag hinatak nyo siya na maigi, aabot siya ng 2 meters. Aabot siya ng 2 meters, guys. Okay. Okay. Nabanat na siya na yan. Tignan na siya. Yan po. Meron siyang, ito po yung metal niya dito sa wrist. Yan guys, ang ating Lecopio wrist strap.
So guys, Yun lang guys. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you!